Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for August 6th of 2025 is titled Meteor Before Galaxy. So what do we see here? Well, here we see two different objects in one image. In the background, we do see a galaxy, and in fact, that is the Andromeda galaxy, the nearest large spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way. And it has similar structures to our own Milky Way, a little bit larger, but we can see the distinct spiral structure in this view. You can see some of that and the dust lanes there, and you can see how they kind of swirl around the central regions of the galaxy. So if we could look at our galaxy from a distance, we might see something similar to this. Now in the foreground, cutting across that, we see a meteor. And the meteor is actually a bit of material in Earth's atmosphere. So we're seeing two things at very different distances. The Andromeda galaxy, about 2.5 million light years away, and the meteor within our own atmosphere, a fraction of a light second away. Now, how might you plan to get an image like this? And the truth is, you really can't guarantee anything. What you can do is take an image of the galaxy at the right time and hope that a meteor will happen to come across it. Meteors are tiny bits of debris, could not be tracked, cannot be predicted. So we never know exactly when a specific meteor would be moving across an area of the sky and burning up there as we see here. So we can look at times like during a meteor shower when there are a larger number of meteors, but you'd still have to get lucky that it happened to come across your field of view. Because we're a little bit to one side or the other, then we never would have gotten the image as we see today. Now, this image was taken back in 2016 near the peak of the Perseid Meteor Shower. So during that peak, we get about a meteor every minute or so that is visible in the sky. And that makes it a little more likely that you're going to be able to get something like this, but still, to have it lined up exactly is a pretty good coincidence. Now, if you look at the track in more detail, you can see a couple spots where the meteor flared as it was burning up. Little excess energy being emitted, and those are clearly visible as slightly brighter spots along the meteor's trail as it vaporized. So it enters Earth's atmosphere and breaks apart, and some of those little sections we can actually see a little more highlighted there, where a little more energy was being released. Now we do have the Perseid Meteor Shower coming up again, and that is scheduled to peak next week. So a chance to be able to see more of the Perseid Meteor Showers, one of the more prominent meteor showers that occurs as the Earth passes through the orbit of orbital debris left behind by a comet. So that was our picture of the day for August 6th of 2025. It was titled Meteor Before Galaxy. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day everyone, and I will see you in class.